Hello, welcome to aonlinetraining.com. Today I'm teach you about shape tuning, shaping, and frame by frame animation. It is only to apply on the shape object, not on primitives. You can make the shape from line, oval, rectangle, polygon, or even you can draw with pencil, brush, or paint brushes. Then now take the shapes. I've already designed that layers. You've seen this layer and I selected my frame 1. I just take a rectangle shape. You can select any of them. Even you can change that stroke color or fill color. I'll just take a simple over here. Then I have to go my insert keyframe. Then right click, shape tweening. Shape tweening basically tween two different shapes on first to second frame or the another frame. It's basically for the shapes. Then go to the modify shape, then you get the shape head. Okay, Control Shift H. Just that. This Control Shift H is at last it's add A to Z. This is the shape in points. Now I have just used my Control Shift H. So I have 4 corners. I have just take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you have to delete, just take and just throw out. So it will delete it. And for add, Control Shift H. Now go to my last frame or second frame. Then I have red that you initially add the shape in, yellow that means initially you shift that corner points, and the green it's final. It's final, it's okay with connected with corner points. So I back to my first frame. There is a A, B, C, D. Now last is A, B, C, D. Now it's okay. If I change my points, now animation I will change it. So same thing, if I change my points, so that means how I just change. So according to that you can change your point to point animation. If it's C is there last, and if you go there, C is there, so it is just point travels to that point. Now I'll go my next frame. Now I'm starting with frame by frame animation. So frame by frame animation I have to be take F6 because keyframe record that one frame to be positions or the motions or the shapes. So 6. Then I go from my 6. So when you see, it will change. So you can go for 1 by 1 or you can go for second to second. So I'll just take second to second. I'll just keep the different second. So in frame by frame animation, you don't need to be put tween. If it's shape, if it's graphic, motion tween, or if it's movie clip, motion tween or classical tween. So for frame by frame animation, you don't need to be apply the twins. It just left this because it's travel frame by frame. I press enter. See, this is what frame by frame. If I apply that twin, it's not, it's not like come like this. It's not come very on spot point. See, no, it's very fast to the point. And if you see the twin, it's bland, it's covered very smoothly, but in frame by frame animation it's not come very smooth. So this is how we can do it frame by frame animation. Okay, after that I go for my new layer. Please remember, you should to be put the name on the layers by double click, right? So by next frame, from this I have to just define my my text animation. I have just put the from 40 text animation to 60. According to that background, I want to be similar this thing. So if I just make over here frame, if I not make over here frames, this background would not see. So I just calculate my 60, it's remain. So I just keep the frame, not keyframe. So on 14, I just go make a keyframe and type the text. Even I can change my font. Even I can change my font, color. I change my color. This one, physical size, and just simply to Q and press the scale. And for the center of the stage, windows align to the center, align to the stage. So the line should be like this. So to the center. Now I'll go I scale it. And I make this text as a F8. Symbol is graphic. In graphic I have some features like color styles. So I'll use the alpha to opacity off, and in 45 keyframe I want this text to be 100, but it always to become while I'm scaling. Okay, if I don't put twin as I told that in graphic I can use the classical motion tool. So if I want to be a very smooth, see, it's come very very fast, there's no smoothness. So if I just keep classical tool, it's come very smooth, and then I just keep the remains F5. So F5 frame is just still what you have last keyframe. It's record what you have the next change in your shapes, in graphics, transformation, whatever. Okay, blank keyframe is just for the blinking effect. If I just use the blank keyframe, so I have just select right click and convert to the blank keyframes, the blank keyframe, but it's convert the whole blank keyframe. So best part is put F6, 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 sorry, F6 for next, and you just delete this normal keyframe. So it is like normal keyframes. Okay, so this is what shape tool, shape him, motion. Okay, motion with graphics, apply this blue color for classic tween, and this green for the shape tween, and frame by frame animation. This is what we have done today. Thank you. For queries, please contact us on info@aonlinetweening.com. Have a nice day.